Have you ever taken a bite of a dish and felt like something magical was happening on your taste buds? What's the secret touch that takes a meal from okay to outstanding? Do you know what spices to keep at your fingertips to become a kitchen wizard? If you want these answers, keep watching. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious secrets. The Aromatic All-Stars Essential Herb. First up, let's talk about herbs. These green geniuses bring a fresh and aromatic kick to dishes. Basil, with its sweet and peppery flavor, is perfect for that Italian pasta night. Or how about some cilantro? Its citrusy zest makes your tacos sing. And let's not forget rosemary. Just a sprinkle and your roasted potatoes will thank you. Have you used these herbs in your kitchen? Comment below with your favorite herb-infused dish. The Spice Route Quintessential Spices. Moving on, we hit the spice trail. Ever wondered what gives curry that golden color? It's turmeric. This spice doesn't just add color, it's a health powerhouse. And for that warm, sweet note in your pumpkin pie, you can thank cinnamon. But wait, there's more. Cumin, the earthy goodness that's a staple in nearly every spice rack. Which spice do you reach for the most? Let's chat in the comments. Blends and mixes, combining flavors. Okay, let's talk combinations. Some herbs and spices are like best friends. They just work better together. Take Italian seasoning, a mix that's ready to party in your pasta sauce, or curry powder, which is not just one spice, but a symphony of them, creating a flavor explosion in your mouth. What's your go-to blend? Share your spice mix secrets with us. Fresh versus dry, a battle of flavors. Is fresh always best? Not necessarily. While fresh herbs offer a bright flavor, dried herbs pack a more concentrated punch, perfect for slow-cooked dishes. And when it comes to spices, the whole form lasts longer, giving you the best bang for your buck. But ground spices are your quick fix for busy weeknights. What's in your pantry, fresh or dry? Tell us in the comments. Herbs and spices storage tips. Keep it fresh. Last but not least, let's talk storage. To keep your herbs and spices at their best, store them away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight. And remember, they're not immortal. Check those dates and keep your flavors fresh. Do you have any storage hacks? Drop them in the comments below. And there you have it, a sprinkle of knowledge and a dash of fun. If you loved this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our flavorful episodes. Keep cooking and stay spicy, friends!